Think your pickup truck is already awesome? Think again. Today, we're uncovering 20 brand new pickup truck gadgets on Amazon that will completely transform your ride. From high-tech tools that make maintenance a breeze to jaw-dropping accessories that turn heads wherever you go, these gadgets are designed to take your truck game to a whole new level. Whether you're into off-roading, daily driving, or just love upgrading your rig, you won't believe what's on this list. Stick around. Some of these will totally change how you use your truck. Number 1. JOYTUTUS Pickup Truck Bed Bike Rack. Haul your bikes safely and securely with the JOYTUTUS Pickup Truck Bed Bike Rack. Designed to fit most pickup beds, it keeps your bikes upright and stable while driving, preventing scratches or damage. Quick to install and easy to remove, it's perfect for weekend rides, camping trips, or outdoor adventures. Durable construction ensures long-lasting use, making it a must-have accessory for truck owners who love biking and want a simple, reliable way to transport their gear. Number 2. Spurtar Tire Deflator with Gauge. The Spurtar Tire Deflator with Gauge is perfect for off-road enthusiasts who need precise tire pressure control. This easy-to-use tool lets you quickly adjust tire pressure for sand, mud, or rocky terrain, improving traction and safety. Built with durable materials, it's compact, reliable, and portable, making it ideal to carry in your truck at all times. With the Spurtar Tire Deflator, you can tackle any adventure confidently while protecting your tires and enhancing off-road performance. Number 3. Skechers Heavy Duty Car Floor Mats Red. Protect your truck's interior with Skechers Heavy Duty Car Floor Mats in bold red. Made from durable, water-resistant materials, these mats shield your floors from dirt, mud, and spills while adding a pop of style. They fit snugly in most truck models and feature anti-slip backing for safety. Easy to clean and maintain, they're perfect for daily driving, off-road adventures, or work trucks. With Skechers mats, your truck stays clean, stylish, and ready for anything. Number 4. WOLFBOX G840S4K Mirror Dash Cam. Stay safe and capture every moment with the WOLFBOX G840S4K Mirror Dash Cam. This high-resolution dash cam doubles as a rear-view mirror, providing clear front and rear video recordings. Easy to install, it enhances your truck's safety while driving, parking, or on road trips. With night vision and loop recording features, it ensures reliable footage in any condition. Perfect for daily commuters or off-road adventurers, the WOLFBOX dash cam keeps you protected and confident behind the wheel. Number 5. Govee Car LED Interior Lights App Control. Upgrade your truck's interior with Govee Car LED Interior Lights. Fully controllable through your smartphone app. Customize colors, brightness, and lighting effects to match your style or mood. Installation is quick and adhesive-free, making it easy to add a modern, stylish look to your cabin. Perfect for night drives, parties, or just personalizing your truck. The Govee LED lights combine fun, convenience, and practicality. Transform your ride's interior instantly with this versatile lighting solution. Number 6. CURT Chrome Hitch Ball 2-inch, 3,500 pounds. The CURT Chrome Hitch Ball is an essential towing accessory, rated for up to 3,500 pounds. Designed for 2-inch hitches, it provides a secure and durable connection for trailers, boats, or cargo. Chrome construction ensures long-lasting corrosion resistance while delivering a polished, professional look. Easy to install with standard tools, it's perfect for truck owners who tow frequently. Reliable and sturdy, the CURT Hitch Ball makes towing safer and more efficient every time. Number 7. Napier Backroadz Truck Bed Tent 2-person. Transform your truck bed into a comfortable campsite with the Napier Backroadz Truck Bed Tent for 2 people. Easy to set up and attach to most truck beds, it provides a secure, elevated sleeping area for camping or road trips. Made from durable, weather-resistant materials, it keeps you dry and protected from insects while offering ventilation for comfort. Lightweight and portable, the Napier tent turns your truck into an adventure-ready camper, perfect for weekend getaways or spontaneous outdoor trips. Number 8. ARANA Maverick Tailgate Assist make lifting and lowering your Maverick tailgate effortless with the ARANA Tailgate Assist. This smart hydraulic system reduces tailgate weight and prevents sudden drops, making it safer and easier to operate. Installation is straightforward, and it works seamlessly with your existing tailgate hardware. Ideal for daily drivers, contractors, or anyone who frequently loads and unloads their truck, the ARANA Tailgate Assist protects your hands, cargo, and tailgate while adding convenience to every task. Number 9. Forccord Truck Bed. Tie down, anchors, 6-pack. Secure your cargo with Forccord Truck Bed. Tie down anchors, a 6-pack of heavy-duty mounting points for straps or ropes. Easy to install, these anchors provide reliable attachment points to keep loads safe during transport. Constructed from durable materials, they withstand harsh conditions and heavy weight, perfect for trucks hauling tools, gear, or outdoor equipment. The Forccord anchors make your truck bed more versatile, organized, and safe, ensuring peace of mind on every trip. Number 10. DNYKER Hard Trifold Tonneau Tacoma. Protect your Tacoma's truck bed with the DNYKER Hard Trifold Tonneau cover. Its trifold design allows easy access to your cargo while shielding it from rain, dust, and theft. Built from durable, weather-resistant materials, it folds neatly when not in use. Installation is simple, and the secure locking system provides peace of mind. Perfect for daily commuting, weekend adventures, or work projects, the DNYKER Tonneau cover adds both practicality and style to your Tacoma. Number 11. Go Rhino Hitch Step 12 inches. Make accessing your truck bed easier with the Go Rhino Hitch Step. Measuring 12 inches, it provides a sturdy platform for climbing in and out safely while also doubling as a convenient step for hitch-mounted cargo. Built from durable steel with a textured surface, it prevents slipping and withstands heavy use. Quick to install, it's perfect for work trucks or outdoor adventures, adding both practicality and safety to your daily driving routine. Number 12. Car Sun Visor Extender Anti-Glare. The Car Sun Visor Extender is a simple yet effective solution for reducing glare while driving. This anti-glare accessory extends your existing visor, blocking sunlight from awkward angles and improving visibility. Easy to attach and adjust, it fits most truck models and doesn't interfere with normal visor use. Perfect for long road trips, early morning commutes, or sunny days, this visor extender makes driving safer and more comfortable, protecting your eyes and keeping distractions to a minimum. Number 13. EGR RollTrac Electric Tonneau Ram 1500. The EGR RollTrac Electric Tonneau cover is a must-have for Ram 1500 owners looking for convenience and security. Its electric retractable design lets you open and close your truck bed with the push of a button, protecting cargo from weather, theft, and debris. Durable, weather-resistant materials ensure long-lasting use, and installation is straightforward. Combining style, functionality, and ease of use, the EGR RollTrac transforms your truck bed into a secure, accessible, and modern storage solution. Number 14. Auxbeam 8 Gang Switch Panel BA80. Take control of your truck's electrical accessories with the Auxbeam 8 Gang Switch Panel BA80. Perfect for off-road or custom setups, it lets you manage lights, winches, and other electronics from a single, organized location. Built with durable, water-resistant materials, it withstands rough conditions and repeated use. Easy to install, the switch panel simplifies wiring and adds professional control to your truck's interior, keeping all your gadgets and gear powered efficiently and safely. Number 15. DZ Poly Storage Chest. Keep your truck organized with the DZ Poly Storage Chest, a rugged and spacious solution for tools, gear, or personal items. Made from heavy-duty, weather-resistant poly, it protects your belongings from rain, dirt, and theft. Its versatile design fits neatly in most truck beds, and the secure latch keeps everything in place during transit. Perfect for contractors, adventurers, or daily drivers, this storage chest adds convenience security, and peace of mind to every haul. Number 16. Dometic F150 Console Refrigerator. Stay refreshed on the road with the Dometic F150 Console Refrigerator. Designed to fit perfectly in your truck's center console, it keeps drinks and snacks cold during long drives or camping trips. Energy efficient and easy to use, it's perfect for road warriors, tailgaters, or outdoor enthusiasts. Durable and reliable, this portable fridge adds convenience and comfort to your F150, ensuring that your favorite beverages and perishables are always within reach while keeping your ride organized and functional. Number 17. CarQiWireless F150 Wireless Charger. Organizer. Charge your devices on the go with the CarQiWireless F150 Wireless Charger Organizer. It combines a secure organizer for your phone and small items with a built-in wireless charger, eliminating messy cables. Designed specifically for the F150, it fits neatly in the center console or dashboard area. Quick to install and easy to use, this gadget keeps your devices powered and your cabin clutter-free, perfect for daily commuting, road trips, or hands-free device management while driving. Number 18. Airlift LoadLifter 5000 Air Suspension Kit. Upgrade your truck's ride and towing performance with the Airlift LoadLifter 5000 Air Suspension Kit. Designed to support heavy loads, it improves stability, reduces sagging, and enhances handling. Adjustable air springs let you fine-tune your ride height for comfort or performance. Built from durable materials, it's reliable for daily driving and off-road adventures alike. Perfect for hauling trailers, boats, or heavy cargo. The LoadLifter 5000 ensures a smoother, safer, and more controlled ride under any load. Number 19. Auxbeam 7-inch round off-road lights pair. Illuminate the darkest trails with the Auxbeam 7-inch round off-road lights, sold as a pair. These high-intensity LED lights provide superior brightness and beam distance, perfect for off-road adventures, night driving, or work sites. Durable, waterproof construction ensures long-lasting performance in harsh conditions. Easy to mount on your truck or roll cage, they enhance visibility and safety while adding an aggressive, rugged look. Ideal for off-road enthusiasts who demand reliable lighting for every adventure. Number 20. Portable Tire Inflator Air Compressor 180 PSY. Keep your tires properly inflated with this portable tire inflator air compressor, capable of reaching up to 180 PSY. Compact and easy to store in your truck, it's perfect for emergencies, off-road trips, or routine maintenance. Quick inflation and a built-in pressure gauge ensure accuracy and convenience. Durable and user-friendly, this air compressor helps prevent flat tires, improves fuel efficiency, and keeps you prepared for any adventure, making it a must-have accessory for every truck owner. That wraps up 20 of the newest pickup truck gadgets available on Amazon. From bed organizers to off-road lights and towing accessories, these must-have tools make your truck safer, smarter, and more versatile. Which gadget are you adding to your ride first? Share your pick in the comments.